Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Radiating Beauty with myself, Denise. That's me. I'm Denise. So lovely to see you today. I thought I would share with you my Ipsy icon box, but this is the new packaging from the Ipsy Boxycharm subscription, and yeah, I love it. It's a very cool kind of like pink, kind of like ombre to peach, really cute box. Interestingly, you get this flyer now. So based on your beauty profile, then Ipsy will pick 2 products for you. Say since Ipsy took over Boxycharm, it seems like my power picks that they pick for me are always skincare. So for summer, I'm saying like I'm okay with that because they have been pretty good quality products, but I think coming into the fall, I don't know that I'd be so jived about getting more facial and skincare versus the makeup, because that's what I paid for when I was with Boxycharm. I mean, I was getting almost a palette every box and really great products, and then they had the Boxycharm drop shop, as you know. Now they don't have that, right? They always have such really beautiful aesthetic bottles. This one, no exception. It is just a kind of light brightening serum that you put on. Always is made with a glass bottle. So pretty, and actually has a beautiful bluish aqua blue tinge. But anyways, I thought this was cool. I do have some sort of, you know, kind of discoloring from the sun on this side from sunglasses, the way they hit, and I want to smell that. Oh, that smells nice. It does have a hint of a fragrance. I can't really tell you what the fragrance is, but it's not overwhelming because I really don't like really heavy sort of makeup perfume fragrances. So this one is really nice. I'm really excited about it. I love The Ordinary, you know, skincare, and most of The Ordinary serums and products come in eyedroppers. So absolutely beautiful. Love it. Love the packaging, the aesthetic. Imagine like you had like a backlit sort of medicine cabinet and you had all these beautiful glass ampoules and serums in there. How cool would that look, right? That's what it says. It says Moon Dew, and it looks like it is a 1% Backachorly peptide retinol alternative eye cream, and I am all about that. So Backachorly, because it's a natural product that basically acts like a retinol, except it's not as irritating to the skin, and especially around your eyes. That's, you know, if you're somebody like me who has really sensitive skin. Wow, look at that, you guys. That is so cool. It does have a little fragrance to it. I'm really excited to use that. So I will have to demonstrate, and I will do a kind of like maybe a 30-day follow-up on that one, because I'm not currently using any eye creams at nighttime. So I believe it would be nighttime because it says Moon Dew. This is by VERB, another well-known sort of like, you know, hair product line, because this is the Ghost Exfoliating Scalp Nectar. And I've seen a few people talking about it. So I use a lot of dry shampoo in between my washes. I only wash my hair once every 3rd day because, of course, as you get older and it just kind of gets dry. And I do use heat products, unfortunately, to kind of like flatten it during the day when I, when I go to work. So I try not to like stress it out too much with washing it excessively, but you know, I also have a lot of fine hair, so in order for the scalp to really kind of maintain and be sort of like, you know, I guess cleaner, I need some dry shampoo products, so I use a lot of those like every day. So this exfoliating scalp nectar might be a very interesting product to use, because that, I would assume you put it in before you shampoo, and oh, that is not quite what I thought it would come out like in a tube. But anyways, it's a very, very light fragrance. So again, that's good if you are fragrance sensitive or have sensitive skin. WINGME. I know it's a weird packaging. It's a clear brow gel. Keep your brows in place with the WINGME clear brow gel. The brush on matte formula strokes eyebrows into shape. I do like a good clear eye gel. Yeah, WINGME. Sorry, I thought that said WINC. It's WINGME. So there is the packaging. That's the little tube. Let's just give that a little, woo, look at those hairs. Oh girl, that is crazy. So yeah, if you like that kind of look, where you'd like to kind of tame your brows and then just lock them in place, you definitely need a eyebrow gel. So I'm really excited about that. And I don't know, just brush them in place. We'll see how that goes. That was one of my picks. I will also say that I didn't really think that the picks that I had in each of the categories was very robust. How about that? I'll use that as a word because, you know, normally when I was with Boxycharm, I just felt like there was so many options of products to pick. Not so annoyed about it that I'm willing to cancel my subscription yet, but after my icon box, it'll be another threshold. I'll see how good the icon box is, and then I'll let you know. But you know, for somebody that specifically says she wants a makeup heavy box, my last few boxes with Ipsy when they took it over have been predominantly skincare. So again, good products, not had reactions, enjoying the products, using the products that I've been getting, but very skincare heavy. So not sure, wondering, you know, when the makeup will come. But anyways, this one was my last pick in my category. It's the Sweet Dreams Collagen Glow Golden Eye Masks in Glowist. There's 5 pairs in this one. I really love a good eye mask. Like, I've purchased some like at Marshall's. They always have good price ones, but I just find that the cheaper ones at Marshall's and the ones that I get in the drugstores, the ingredients just are not very, what's the word? They're not very potent. They don't really seem to do a lot of help with kind of minimizing the puffiness and helping with the wrinkles. I know a good eye mask when I see it. It looks like, anyways, I said you get 5 pairs. So I'm very excited to use that. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. It just says this just kind of helps with crow's feet and eye care, takes your eyes to the next level. I blow through eye masks pretty quick because anytime I'm going out or doing something special or I want to look a little extra fresh, I like to put them in the refrigerator and then I like to slap them on my eyes before I'm putting on my makeup. All right, and I did actually pick up one product because, again, like I said, my boxes have been very skincare heavy. Not mad about that, but I still love a good bit of makeup. I still love makeup. I still want to have a makeup heavy box. So I went and I bought this really cool, very cool little eyeshadow palette. I'm sure you'll know if you've watched any unboxings which one it is. If you've also seen my channel, you know how much I love Natasha Denona, but this was like the $12 choice. And it's the Natasha Denona Fez palette. Came in a bubble wrap. So for those of you that have been complaining, like myself, about this flimsy sort of packaging, I'm going to cross my fingers with the bubble wrap and that it didn't break. So we shall see. But you guys, you have to see the colors of this palette. I'm just going to pull it out and cross our fingers. All right. So far, this looks really good. Now, these are those mini sort of Natasha Denona palettes. I have a few of them now, and I love them. But look at the colors, you guys. Like, is this not perfection? And it's not broken. It's not broken. Look at this color. Oh, my God. You guys, this also happens to be, I think, personally speaking, has to be one of the coolest ways to do traveling palettes. And if you've experienced Natasha Denona, I am telling you that her mattes formulation are some of the best. And when she does a good shimmer, it's almost hard to compare. So I am super excited. Tropical colors with this gold, this brown to deepen, and this blue with this color. Oh my God, I can't wait to create something really cool for you. So I am so excited because I've watched a number of people and a lot of people's came broke and mine did not. I am so excited. Anyways, you guys, I am really happy. I really like everything that I got. I'm going to be excited to just sit, and I will definitely do a look on the Natasha Denona Fez palette. But if you are a Boxycharm slash Ipsy customer, I hope that you took advantage of this beautiful Fez palette as well. That was in the shops, because like I said, that was $12 US, and I would have to go on to the Sephora website if they even have it and see how much that would be Canadian to purchase, like retail. But $12, I feel, even with the conversion over to Canadian funds, would make that a very feasible palette. And like I said, I have a few of hers. Plus, over here you'll see on my bookshelf, I have a number, I think I have 3 or 4 of her MIDI palettes, and absolutely love them. Anyways, you guys, that is it. This is the end of the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this records my whole video, and I'm looking forward to doing a try on and a follow-up. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Take care.